Here's all the home screen settings you can find on your Nothing Phone 1 or Nothing Phone 2 after the latest Android 14 update. There are some new features and let's dive into it. So the fastest way to the home screen settings is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you'll see home settings. As you enter here, you'll see a couple of them that you are familiar with. One of them, the notification dots. When you tap on that, that'll simply take you to where you can enable the app badges for your phone. I don't have any right now to show you, but it's that little orange dot that usually appears on top of the app icon to show you a new notification. Another one would be the add app icons to home screen. So every time you have a new app installed on your phone, it will also be added to the home screen and not just the app drawer. The next one is the swipe access. So basically on your Nothing phone, if you're on the home screen and you swipe like this here, you get access to this here. And if you don't want that there at all, you find that it is kind of annoying, you can long press, go to home settings and turn this off. Then when you do this, you won't have it anymore and you can turn it back on at any given time. So going back into the home settings, you've got the double tap to lock. So with this on here, if you want to lock your screen, let's just say it's on a flat surface, you can't really access the power button. Having this feature on will allow you to double tap a blank area on your home screen to lock your phone like that. And that's really cool if you ask me, okay? So the next way is to also go back into the home settings and the hide apps. This is one of the new features here. So the hide apps here, basically when you go into it, you can choose any app on your phone that you have installed and hide it away. So for example, if you are here now, you want to hide Messenger. When I do this here, this is now going to have Messenger hidden away. It's a low security kind of thing, but honestly, it's pretty cool. So when you go into the app drawer, you'll go here and you swipe from here, a slow swipe like this here to reveal the hidden app and then go into it. Now, if in the future you decide you want to remove this app from being hidden, just go back to the home settings, go into the hide app icons and remove it. And if you don't really have the latest update, there is possibly one more feature, which would be the search bar on the home screen. There should be a switch to turn it on and off, and that'll allow you to remove this one right here. Now, if you don't see the option to remove the search bar, the other way you can find it is by long pressing like this here, go into customization. Then you want to go to where it says layout right here. Once in the layout section, you'll be able to change the grid layout for your apps as well as the search bar, which is this option right here. So if you don't see it on the other settings, you can come here and find it. And when you turn it off, you'll see that it's not there anymore. So you'll have to press apply and now it's gone. And that's that for the home screen settings on your Nothing Phone 1 or 2 with Android 14. Like and sub.